Gotta do the assignment before tomorrow. Deadline is approaching, god damn. I wonder who that could be. Hello? Yeah, Julie, how's it going? You what? Armani's dropped another new flanker on the stronger wood you line? Okay, making the purchase now to do the review. Goodbye. You know what time it is. Stronger with You Spices is an exclusive edition introduced by Armani in early 2026. They've described this as a deeply warm, Middle Eastern inspired ambery spicy scent with the top notes of black pepper, bergamot and mandarin. Hot notes are saffron, clove, apricot, lavender and cinnamon, followed by the base notes of chestnut accord, amber, leather and vanilla. Is this worth your money or is it one to skip? Let's find out. Ta-da! There you have it. Wow, so they've retained the same bottle design as you can see, but the finish is a metallic terracotta toned bottle. And I was reading on the Armani website how it's meant to evoke the sandy tones of desert dunes. So it's a very reflective bottle, as you can see. Just giving you guys a close-up of the bottle, the reflective metallic character of it. I really am enjoying, honestly. Everything about it just looks premium. This is a limited edition, I forgot to mention, so this won't be available on the market for a very long time. They'll remove it eventually. The cap is also nicely rose gold colored with the characteristic intertwined rings. So now let's move on to testing the atomizer. I'm sure the atomizer is going to be good, just like with the previously reviewed Stronger with Amber. Let's do this. You see, I'm getting this nice uniform mist. Armani never disappoints, as mentioned in the last video too. Alright then folks, it's time to embark on the scent journey. Let's see how this is going to unravel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some on my wrist and then pause the video after testing the top notes. So here goes. I can definitely smell the black pepper for sure. Spicy. Nothing citrusy. I'm not getting the top notes of mandarin and bergamot, which is weird. Maybe I need to apply some more. The black pepper definitely just cuts through, announcing itself. I'm getting a little bit of the bergamot, but the mandarin unfortunately is silent, so no mandarin. Nothing groundbreaking, nothing memorable. Honestly, that was a very basic opening, I must say. I'm only smelling black pepper as of yet, with a slight percentage of bergamot. Mandarin unfortunately has done a runner. The mandarin is AWOL. I'm going to pause it because I've applied some on my wrist and hand, and then hopefully after half an hour I'll come back to give you my experience on the middle notes as well as the dry down. But top notes, unfortunately right now I can only smell the black pepper. Mandarin is absent. Bergamot is just saying hi in the corner, hiding itself, but waving. That's the best way I can describe it. All right there folks, I'm back. The opening was definitely underwhelming and forgettable. Middle heart section of the fragrance, all I can say is that it was definitely a spice fiesta. I've been able to smell my lovely beloved spice of saffron. I really love saffron. I can smell the lavender as well. The clove, the cinnamon is coming through. And surprisingly, 10 minutes after pausing the video, the leather base accord shone. It sprung out and I can still smell it. The leather accord is very strong. The chestnut accords as well, very strong. And I'm getting the sweetness of the vanilla, but definitely a spice fiesta slash leather charm to this fragrance. But honestly, overall, it's been very underwhelming, very insipid and boring and dull. That's how I can sum up this scent journey. Nothing revolutionary whatsoever. Now, when it comes to performance, Stronger With You Spices is going to perform very similarly to Stronger With You Amber, Intensely and Absolutely, given the fact that this is an eau de parfum. But what I'm going to do in the next few days, starting from tomorrow, is that I'm going to apply this as my main scent, and then I'll be able to gauge how it performs in terms of longevity, projection, and the trail scent. And then I'm going to update you guys in the form of a short video, so stay tuned for that. Stronger With You Spices, you should avoid wearing this in summer due to the very nature of the scent profile. It has that spicy, very sweet element that's just going to be very cloying and may cause nearby individuals to suffocate. So this is strictly to be worn in autumn and winter. Here in the UK, we are officially welcoming spring, so this is going to have to stay on the shelf and wait its turn for the next 6 to 7 months. Okay folks, so there's only one thing left for me to do before I sign out, and that is to give this fragrance a rating out of 10. Stronger With You Spices has been a very underwhelming scent journey. Uninspiring, unoriginal, highly repetitive. Flanker fatigue with this one is real, definitely. I'm going to give this a low rating of 4 out of 10. You heard. 4 out of 10, Stronger With You Spices. Is it worth buying? No, skip it. They've recycled the old DNA. Yes, they've amplified the spices. You could say the desert heat has been dialed in, but it's not convincing enough to buy. It's not revolutionary, not innovative. They've labeled it as a limited edition. They've packaged it in a fancy bottle. It's a simple cash grab by Armani. If you are new to the Stronger With You line, and if you're interested in buying a flanker in this family house, then I'd advise to go for the Stronger With You Intensely or Absolutely, because both are highly rated, they're a complement magnets, they're reliable and more versatile. So this is not worth your money. In the UK, this is retail priced at £122, which is a lot of money. Buy something else. Alright then folks, that was my unboxing and first impressions on Stronger With You Spices. A highly overpriced, monotonous fragrance that should be avoided, especially if you own any of the previous flankers. If you want something spicy and well done, more versatile, go for the Spice Bomb Extreme by Victor and Rolf. You won't be disappointed. If there's anything else you'd like me to review, unbox, please leave it down in the comments below. Do like the video and subscribe. Show me your support. It means a lot to me. And I'll catch you on the flip side.